The chapter Hearing and Speech aims at providing an understanding of how humans produce and perceive speech. Thus, there is a focus on acoustics, as this is at the basis for speech technology in multimodal human-computer interaction. After having worked through the material of this chapter, you will know that speech is one of the most important interaction modalities. You will know that there are different classes of sounds and how they are articulated and acoustically manifested in the signal. The ear and the subsequent sound processing is conducting a lot of meaningful processing, which does not only allow you to understand and recognize speech, but also to localize the position of a sound.